Welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. My name's Colton Bradley. I'm the corporate product trainer at Karl Auto Group. This series gives you insights on options, features, and technology available on our new vehicles at our dealerships. On today's episode of Tips and Tricks, we're going to be talking about the power programmable liftgate. In order to use the liftgate, the first thing you're going to need to do is find your liftgate button. You're going to toggle that to the 3/4 setting, and then you're going to go to the back end of your vehicle. Once the tailgate is open, you're going to go ahead and set the tailgate to your desired height, press and hold the tailgate close button. You'll then hear audible beeps from inside the vehicle and see the tail lights flash, and then you now have your new 3/4 setting on your vehicle. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Tips and Tricks here at Karl Auto Group. If you have any questions on how to use the power programmable liftgate on your vehicle, please feel free to stop out at one of our Karl Auto Group locations.